today I'll be unboxing an Apple Watch Series 10. It's in 46 millimeters. As you can see right here, this is 46 millimeters in jet black aluminium, and this is GPS plus cellular. So this supports data, and as you can see, this is the watch itself. And I'll also be comparing this with 42 millimeters Apple Watch Series 10 in titanium. So let's unbox this one first. So you have to just take this out gently. This you need to take out, and same for this side. This needs to go. This is done, and once you keep it like this, yeah, this is how, as you can see right over here, this is how the watch looks. And now this is the watch, and this is the strap. When you order it, you have an option of either taking the normal sport band or sport loops. This is the ink sport loop. This is the ink color sport loop. So what we'll do first is we'll unbox the loop. So I'll just keep the watch over here, and I'll move this aside. So this has the, you have to peel this and just take it out. And this is what comes inside. This is the loop. This is what you get. This is the loop, as you can see here. Just need to pull this out from here. Just comes out like this. This is the loop here. This is the sport loop, the ink sport loop, and I'll just keep it over here. And now it's time to unbox the watch. So for the watch, we have the same thing but on the back side. So we need to just peel this here like this, and the same for the other side. So once I have peeled both of the sides, now you just hold this and just take it out. So this right here is the Apple Watch Series 10, and this is, I'll just come back to the watch. First, let's take this out. So here you obviously you have the charging cable over here, and let's just keep this aside for now. This right here is the charging cable. This is the the magnetic charge cable. This charges the Apple Watch Series 10 in 80% in 30 minutes. And this is the braided cable. This is USB-C. So you have this is the cable, and as you can see over here, this is the watch. So let's take the watch. This is in jet black color, so this has a really shiny finish to it. If you can see over here, this is the jet black color, really shiny finish it has. And now let's just slowly just pull it. There's also this cellular thing, like the round here, cellular thing. So let's just slide it off slowly. So you just pull it from here a bit, slide it off more, and now we can just pull it. This, keep this aside, and as you can see, this is the Apple Watch Series 10 in 46 millimeters. This is the 46 millimeter size, and this is in jet black color, so this is really shiny. And you also have cellular on this. This is aluminium and this is cellular. So this looks really good. It has a really polished finish to it, and this is supposed to be paired with the strap. So what I need to do right now is I'll not connect the strap as of now. I'll just switch this on slowly. This shows the Apple logo. If you see this, then it's turning on, and after this it will ask you to pair it with your phone, and then it is ready to go. So this will be the thing. Well, I'll just set up the whole watch, and then I will let you know after that. So this is the watch, and I set this up with the iPhone, and as you can see, this is how the watch is. And this is the different watch face. So like you can just this is all the apps, and you can obviously, this I have set a password, so I'll just enter the password in. So I entered the password in, and you also have an option to put in list view. So you get list view like this. You can see the title of the app, and this is possible. Or you can have grid view. This is also possible. You can do any way you want. You can obviously change your watch faces just like this by swiping. That's a separate feature that I can enable. And you can just change either like this. This is the most common way of changing. or you can just do it like this is the way, or you can just swipe it. And this is also, you can access the, like, you get all your, like, this is smart stack, so you get all your things, notifications, your important priority notifications. And yeah, this is it. You can just change like this is how you can change it. So this is the watch, and as you can see, this is how it looks. And obviously you can add more watch faces. Sometimes even if you buy different straps, so you get like a QR code to scan, and you can connect that particular watch face. So this is my review of the 46 millimeter Apple Watch Series 10 in aluminum jet black GPS plus cellular. And now I'll be comparing this with an Apple Watch Series 10 in titanium. So this is the Apple Watch Series 10 in 42 millimeters titanium, and this is the watch itself. This is the Apple Watch Series 10. I just shut this down right now, and this is the Series 10 in aluminum in 46 millimeters. So I'll tell you which is better for you. So as you can see over here, this size here, and now this 46 millimeters is quite a big size. Like, this is the display size is almost, I think it's on literally the size of an Apple Watch Ultra, the latest one available. So that's almost the size of an Apple Watch Ultra, this device. And this is a bit smaller. Now this is bigger compared to last year watch options, which were 41 and 45. But since there's a more rounded display in both of them, and there's also, like, they have increased the screen size here, so this is like definitely a big upgrade. And I think the 46 millimeter will be good for people who have like big wrists, and like they need to use, like, they need to basically read a lot on the watch, and they can't uh, like they cannot read like small text. So since this display a bit smaller text, and the display is a bit smaller, so obviously, like, for typing and keyboards and all that, to search for anything, it is not that difficult. But yes, it might be a kind of a problem for some people. So, like, if it's for people who have big wrists and they want to have a bigger display to see the time and type on, I think this is the perfect device for them. And regarding if you want to select aluminum or titanium, that depends on your choice. Like, titanium is for those mainly who, like, are not going for that many workouts, and just want to wear it for party wear, while also having like decent amount of health tracking. So yes, like, they both have the same health tracking obviously, but this is for people who mainly want more of style and aesthetics. Like, it's for those people. And you can select like separate Milanese loop or like a link bracelet. You obviously get that. Now this is not a link bracelet, and this is just a normal, like, sport. It's just Nike sport band. As you can see, this is a Nike sport band over here. This Apple Watch Nike, it's written, this is the one. And this is a normal ink sport loop. So you obviously get these two options. And I think regarding which watch is better depends on your choice. If you are like a child and you want to go with the smaller size, you have the Apple Watch SE obviously. But if you want to have like some good amount of health features like blood oxygen, like if you're above 13, then the Series 10 is the best option to go with for an Apple Watch. And you can go with that in the 42 millimeters. The aluminum would be the perfect option if you want to go with. But if you are looking for something that is more like party wear, and you're not like doing more of workouts and all, and you just want to wear it for parties and all, then I think this is the titanium one is the perfect one. This is slate titanium, and this is the perfect one for that. But if you're doing workouts, then this is aluminum is perfect. Now you do get in other colors also. There's a pink color, and there's obviously a starlight color. You get in those two colors, but this is jet black. Now those two are in the proper aluminum, like they look like they're not that polished aluminum, but this one is like polished, so it kind of does replicate the titanium one, because this is quite shiny. And yes, these both the watches are really thin, so they have new design obviously. There's the new speakers, which means you can just listen to music without being connected to an external Bluetooth device. And yeah, that is the review of both these watches. So if you're somebody who's looking for a smaller watch and more party wear, you should go with the 42 millimeters in titanium. And or if you're looking for a smaller watch but for workouts, you should go with aluminium. Same case for the 10 for the 46 millimeters. If you're looking for something party wear but you have a big wrist, then you should go for the aluminium, like this 46 millimeter one, aluminium. And if you do workouts, and if you're looking for something that's party wear but you want to wear like, but you have a big wrist and you want to see things more clearly, so then you should go with the, obviously you should go with the 40, like the titanium one. That is the best option you can go with. So yeah, these are the two options you have. And thank you for watching. Bye.